Hello. I welcome you once again, and this is your online mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwakun Arthur. So today we are continuing with our mensuration. So I believe you are ready with your jotters and your pens to go through the steps with me. Great. So the question I have here is, I have a rectangular field with each end in the form of a semicircle. So in this case we have A, B, C, D. It's a rectangle with line BC to be 120 meters and line CD to be 14 meters. So we are to find the distance around this whole field. Then they are saying we should take pi to be 22/7. So the first thing to do over here is to find the diameter of the semicircle. So let's do it. Okay, so from my diagram, what is the diameter? The diameter is 14 meters. Good. So after getting our diameter, we now have to find the radius from the diameter. And I believe you know how to do it. In our previous lesson, we said that half of a diameter gives you what? 1 radius. So it becomes, so radius R is equal to D/2, which is 14/2, and that is giving us 7 meters. So after getting our radius, we now have to find the circumference of the circle. So what is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. But this is a semicircle. That is half of a circle. So it becomes half times 2 pi r, where r is our radius. Great. So after that, what do? We have to multiply them and do a simple substitution. We have to do a simple substitution. So this becomes half times 2 times 22/7 times 7. Good. So what is it giving us? Half times 2 times 22/7 times 7. And it is giving us 22 meters. Are we right? Good. Please prove it and find the answer yourself. So 2 times the 22 divided by 7. Great. I'm waiting for your answers. So no need to rush. Good. Okay, excellent. I believe you also had your 22 meters. Great. So after getting the circumference of one part, this circumference is the same as the perimeter. So we can say that therefore the perimeter of the semicircle is equal to 22 meters. Now let's find the perimeter of the whole field or of the whole structure. So the perimeter of the field is good. So in this case, this is a rectangle. So if this side is 120 meters, it means that this side too is 120 meters. So we have 120 meters plus, or let's label it. So we have line AD plus line CD or CB. Good. Line AD plus line CB plus the two extreme ends, that's the two semicircles. So line CDQ plus the last part of it, line APB. Good. So what is the figure for line AD? That is 120 meters. Plus, what is line CB? Same 120 meters. Then, what is the perimeter of the semicircle? We had 22 meters. Then, if this side is 22 meters, it means this side too is 22 meters. So, plus another 22 meters. So, what is the final answer? I think the final answer will give us 284 meters. So the first thing to do here is to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Then you find the perimeter of the two extreme semicircles. Then you add everything together to give you the perimeter of the whole field. Great. So I have some sample questions, and I believe you enjoy solving it. So the question is, find the perimeter of this shape. I have a 9 shape, and I'm giving you pi to be 3.14. Okay, so this is the structure, and I'll be waiting for your answers at the comment section. Please, I will encourage you to solve more questions on your own to become perfect. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard.